What's happening, guys? Dustin and Carl with their second break of the night. Ignore the sign. The sign is wrong. Got to update it. 2012 Leaf autograph mini helmet. It's a one-box break. Date is March 18, 2015. Our teams and numbers go as follows. We got Anthony with the Packers, Ashley with the Browns, Sherry with the Cardinals, Chet with the Panthers, David with the Chargers, Frank with the Broncos and Giants, Joseph W. with the 49ers, Joshua with the Bills, Jaguars, Saints, Kenneth with the Redskins, Michael C. with the Vikings, Mickey B. with the Falcons, Bengals, Lions, Texans, Chiefs, Raiders, Steelers, Seahawks, and Titans, Stephen C. with the Colts, Jets, Eagles, Rams, Buccaneers, Todd with the Patriots, William O. with the Ravens, William P. with the Cowboys, and William R. with the Dolphins. We got a payment from Jay and Jen for the Bears. That's our teams. Lineups. Yeah, Inception will be at 11 Eastern Time. 11 Eastern Time will be Inception. Here's our mini helmet, guys. All sealed up. Mystery helmet inside. Let's take a look at the outside of it one more time. There we go, guys. There's our mini helmet. And here we go. We're rock. Inception is coming up next in about an hour. We'll start Inception Baseball up. There's our seal. Leaf seal. Goodness. You have a fillet knife for this thing. Here we go. There's our helmet. Anybody recognize it? The team is Arizona throwback helmet of Jackie Smith. See in there? Jackie Smith for Arizona. Cardinals owner. Cardinals owner taking the helmet home. I believe the Cardinals run for the cheapest team as well. Ironic. Arizona. There we go. That's our break. Nice, quick, easy, cheap. You guys have any questions? Let me know. If not, thanks for breaking with Carver Hobby, guys. I'll see you soon. If you guys have any questions, let me know.